30 people have succumbed to the novel coronavirus in 7 days. That is according to the Ghana Health Service. The Health Service's update on Friday, July 30th stated the death toll was 844, but latest update available on the website shows 30 more deaths as of Thursday, August 5th, 2021, bringing the total to 874. Considering this, a virologist, Dr. Michael Owusu, has asked authorities to ensure stricter enforcement of the COVID-19 protocol to break the chain of infection. Meanwhile, the Ghana Health Service has warned Ghana could experience a severe third wave driven by the Delta variant if there is non-adherence to the protocol. Cumulatively, Ghana has confirmed over 108 cases, while nearly 7,000 of them are active cases. A little over 100,000 people have recovered. A UAE firm linked to a member of the royal family has agreed to refund about $2 million to Ghana's health ministry after failing to deliver 3.4 million doses of Russia's Sputnik V COVID vaccine, local media outlets report. The doses were to be supplied by the end of June, but the West African country had only received 20,000 doses as of early July, according to reports. Health Minister Kwekwaji Maimenu has been under pressure to seek the refund following findings by a parliamentary committee that highlighted alleged breaches in procurement of the vaccines. Sputnik V was unveiled last year as the first COVID jab, but scores of countries say they've been let down by delayed deliveries. There are also further difficulties in Africa after middlemen increased prices. Ghana's visa waiver agreement with the United Arab Emirates is yet to take effect, Ghana's embassy in the UAE has said. Although Parliament on Thursday, August 5th, approved the Memorandum of Understanding between Ghana and the UAE on mutual exemptions of entry visa requirements in respect of diplomatic, service special, and ordinary passport holders, the embassy explained that the process for its implementation were yet to be completed. This comes on the back of some media reports suggesting that Ghana passport holders can now travel visa-free to the UAE. The embassy says it would officially communicate any changes to the current entry visa regime between Ghana and the UAE when the agreement comes into force. Australian gold miner Resolute Mining has announced that it has agreed to sell the BBNA gold mine in Ghana to Canadian gold developer Asante Gold Corporation for $90 million. In a statement issued on August 5th, Resolute said both parties are committed to ensuring an orderly transition of ownership at BBNA. The deal will be financed as follows: $30 million deposit already received by Resolute to be applied upon completion, $30 million on or before 6 months from completion, and $30 million on or before 12 months upon completion. The agreement has been approved by Ghana's Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and is expected to be completed in the next 10 days. The Audit Service has, for the first time in 10 years, presented to Parliament all the 12 statutory Auditors General reports, including 4 performance audit reports required to be made available to the legislator by June 30th each year. The Acting Auditor General, Mr. Johnson Akwama Siedu, said that the submission of all the reports before the June 30th deadline was a remarkable feat that had not been achieved in the country in the last 10 years. He explained that the report would guide lawmakers in holding public office holders accountable. They would also help especially members of the Public Account Committee of Parliament who relied on such reports in the execution of PAC's mandate. The Peasant Farmer Association says the government is employing a delayed approach in settling debts owed fertilizer suppliers in the country. This comes after the Minister for Food and Agriculture, Dr. Osu Afiyi-Akuto, told Parliament on August 5, 2021 that over 200 million Ghana cedis had been released to pay fertilizer suppliers under the Planting for Food and Jobs programs. Many farmers have for several months now complained about the shortage of fertilizer, which they say has been hampering their work. According to the sector ministry, this situation, among other things, was caused by difficulty in paying companies contracted to distribute the products due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Peasant Farmers Association, however, are not happy about this development. Head of Programs and Advocacy of the association, Charles Nyaba, has asked the Agric Ministry to be proactive in its dealings to avoid the destruction of their produce.